Attention please, 5 seconds. The Karnataka High Court on Friday dismissed a petition filed by Twitter challenging several content and account takedown orders issued by the government and fined the American company rupees 50 lakh for failing to act on time. Stop. The case and the decision hold significant implications for the government's powers, and methods, to order online content to be made inaccessible, and makes it the first time a social media company has been slapped with a large fine. Stop. The judge held that blocking orders are reasoned decisions founded on stronger footings of law, facts and evidentiary material. Stop. The statutory committee comprises high functionaries of the government and there is no allegation of malafide or the like leveled against them, Justice Krishna S. Dikshit said in the order. Stop. For more than a year, the blocking orders were not implemented by the petitioner and there is no plausible explanation offered. Therefore, the judgment said. Stop. Therefore is a willful non-compliance of the blocking orders. Stop. Reacting to the High Court's decision, Union Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said, the court upholds our stand. Stop. Law of the land must be followed. Stop. Close. Para. The case traces back to 2021, when the government issued a series of orders to block 39 Twitter accounts among several others during the farmers' protests. Stop. Twitter moved the Karnataka High Court after the Electronics and IT Ministry, through a notice on June 26 last year, warned it of penal action against its chief compliance officer if it did not comply with the orders. Stop. In the hearing that followed, several issues came up. Stop. These included basic questions about whether a foreign company can invoke the law to claim protections under the Indian Constitution, and more nuanced questions regarding the scope, prerogative and methods of the government in ordering takedowns. Stop. Among these was whether the government had the power to block user accounts entirely, a move Twitter had said was excessive, The judge ruled that the government's powers to issue a block is not tweet specific and extends to users' accounts in their entirety, after noting that the text, context and expense of the provision gave room for the government to avert imminent harm. Stop. Para. The single judge bench said that due to the voluminous documents in the matter, the petition was heard for days together, keeping at bay worthier causes of native litigants who were waiting in a litigant silence and in a long queue. Stop. Union Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar too welcomed the order and hit out at Jack Dorsey, who was part of the previous management that controlled the company when Twitter had approached the High Court. Stop. The Karnataka HC judgment sends out a right message that the law of the land must be accepted, even if you are a foreign entity doing business in India. Stop. Secondly, when you are complying with the law, you cannot decide whether it is good or bad. Stop. Only courts and decide this aspect as the right way is judicial review and not taking law in their own hands. Stop.